Modern kitchens need appliances that save time, space, and effort. That's why toaster oven air fryers have become so popular. They combine multiple cooking methods in one compact machine, helping you fry, bake, toast, roast, and reheat with less oil and faster results. Whether you're making quick breakfasts, crispy snacks, or full family meals, a good toaster oven can replace several bulky appliances on your counter. You get convenience, healthier cooking, and consistent results without heating a full-size oven. In today's video, we're exploring top 6 toaster oven air fryers that stand out for performance, features, and everyday usability. From compact models for small kitchens to powerful family-size ovens, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Crisp Toaster Oven. The BLACK+DECKER 5-in-1 toaster oven is built for versatility. It supports air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, letting you cook a wide range of meals from crispy fries to golden toast. Its healthy air frying technology uses little to no oil, giving you the crunch you love with fewer calories. Even toast technology ensures bread and bagels brown evenly with no hot spots. Despite its compact size, the interior fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, making it great for quick meals. User-friendly controls and helpful accessories like a crumb tray, air fry mesh tray, and bake pan make cleanup simple. Perfect for small kitchens and beginners who want simple, healthier cooking. Number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart model brings premium power with its 1,800-watt system. It offers multiple functions including air fry, toast, convection bake, broil, grill, and warming. Capacity is a major highlight. You can toast 6 slices, cook 3 pounds of wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a whole chicken. That makes it ideal for families. Air Advantage technology optimizes hot airflow for fast and crispy results while locking in flavor. Adjustable temperature controls and a toast shade selector give you precision. It also includes useful accessories like an air fry basket, grill/griddle, and easy clean interior. Great for families who want power, space, and consistent performance.
Number 3. Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven combo replaces both your toaster and oven in one space-saving design. It bakes, broils, and toasts, making it a practical everyday appliance. Its 16.5-liter interior fits a 9-inch pizza or a good portion of fries. 2 rack positions add flexibility. Toasting is faster and more even, with 5 shade options for perfect browning. Simple controls, a 60-minute timer, auto shutoff, and a ready bell make it very easy to use. Quality heating elements ensure even cooking without hot spots. Accessories like a bake pan and crumb tray are included, so you can start cooking right away. Ideal for anyone wanting a simple, reliable toaster oven for daily meals. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja Smart Convection Oven focuses on speed and even cooking. Its surround convection system uses a high-velocity fan and rear heat source to crisp food from all sides. You can cook on 2 levels evenly without flipping or rotating trays. The 10-in-1 functions include air fry, roast, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate. The large capacity fits up to 9 slices of toast, multiple trays, or even a large turkey. It preheats in about 90 seconds and cooks faster than many full ovens. Air frying can reduce fat compared to traditional frying while still delivering crispy results. Best for busy families who cook large batches and want fast results. Number 5. Panasonic FlashXpress Toaster Oven. The Panasonic FlashXpress stands out for speed and simplicity.
Its infrared heating elements at the front and back remove the need for preheating, saving time. 6 one-touch preset controls make cooking easy for common foods. The baking rack connects to the door, sliding out smoothly for safer access. Auto shutoff adds extra safety. Its compact design fits neatly on almost any countertop while still handling toast, baking, browning, and reheating. Manual temperature control gives flexibility beyond simple toast. It's small, but powerful for everyday cooking. Recommendation: great for small kitchens, dorms, or anyone who wants quick, no-fuss cooking.
Number 6. Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro is packed with advanced features. It offers 12 cooking functions, 100 presets, and memory slots to save your recipes. Its powerful convection system cooks faster and delivers crispy golden finishes while using far less oil than deep frying. Heat is evenly distributed to reduce temperature differences across racks. A professional grill plate creates real char-grilled flavor with grill marks. Temperature ranges from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can adjust heater balance and fan speed for precision cooking. The 30-quart capacity fits large meals like 2 pizzas or a big roast, yet it still works in compact spaces. Cleaning is easy with dishwasher-safe parts and a pull-out crumb tray. Perfect for serious home cooks who want maximum control and capacity. A good toaster oven air fryer can completely change how you cook at home. It saves time, reduces oil, and replaces multiple appliances with one smart solution. If you want something compact and simple, the BLACK+DECKER or Panasonic models are excellent. For families and bigger meals, Cuisinart, Ninja, and Nuwave offer larger capacity and advanced cooking power. Hamilton Beach sits right in the middle with reliable, everyday performance. Think about your kitchen space, cooking style, and meal size before choosing. The right pick will make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!